How MCT oil supports cancer patients, exploring the benefits of MCT oil in cancer support. Today we're going to explore a nutritional therapy that's gaining attention in integrative cancer care, MCT oil, or medium-chain triglyceride oil. Now let's be clear up front. MCT oil is not a treatment or cure for cancer. However, when used under professional guidance, it may offer meaningful support for energy levels, metabolism, cognitive function, and overall quality of life, particularly during or after cancer treatment. What is MCT oil? MCTs are a type of fat found naturally in coconut oil and palm kernel oil. Unlike long-chain fats, which require more complex digestion, MCTs are rapidly absorbed and converted by the liver into ketones, an efficient alternative energy source for both the body and brain. MCT oil is a purified, concentrated form of these fats, commonly used in clinical nutrition, ketogenic diets, and therapeutic protocols. Energy support and metabolic function. One of the most immediate benefits of MCT oil for cancer patients is its ability to provide quick, clean energy. MCTs bypass normal fat digestion and are converted almost instantly into usable fuel. This can be incredibly useful for patients who are experiencing fatigue from chemotherapy or radiation, struggling with low appetite, or dealing with muscle wasting or unintentional weight loss. Because MCT oil doesn't rely on carbohydrates, it also avoids the blood sugar spikes and crashes that can worsen fatigue and mood. Appetite stimulation and nutrient absorption. Cancer-related anorexia and cachexia, that is, loss of appetite and muscle mass, are common and difficult to manage. MCT oil can help by increasing caloric intake in a small, easy-to-digest volume, enhancing absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, supporting digestive efficiency, especially in patients with compromised pancreatic or liver function, or those who've had gallbladder removal. Unlike other fats, MCT oil doesn't require bile for digestion, making it ideal for patients with gastrointestinal sensitivity. Metabolic flexibility and emerging anti-cancer interest. This is an exciting and evolving area. Many types of cancer cells are heavily reliant on glucose for growth. Emerging studies suggest that ketogenic diets, supported by MCT oil, may create a low glucose, high ketone environment that is less favorable for tumor progression, particularly in aggressive cancers like glioblastoma. While this research is still early and should never replace other treatment, it does open the door to metabolic therapies as supportive care strategies. MCT oil plays a key role in these approaches by safely elevating ketone levels without the need for an extreme dietary shift. Cognitive and neurological support. Chemobrain is a real and often frustrating side effect of cancer treatment, characterized by brain fog, memory issues, and difficulty concentrating. MCT oil may help. Because ketones can cross the blood-brain barrier, they offer a more efficient energy source for the brain, especially when glucose metabolism is impaired during treatment. Patients using MCT oil often report improved focus, better mental clarity, and reduced symptoms of cognitive fatigue. This makes MCT oil particularly valuable for maintaining quality of life during long and mentally taxing treatment cycles. Anti-inflammatory effects and immune support. Chronic inflammation plays a role in both cancer progression and treatment side effects. While not a replacement for medication, MCT oil appears to have mild anti-inflammatory properties and may help. MCT can help reduce systemic inflammation, support immune resilience, and promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is central to immune function. Additionally, MCT oil has demonstrated antimicrobial properties, potentially helping to guard against opportunistic infections, which is especially important during immunosuppressive therapies. Weight maintenance without excess inflammation. For patients trying to maintain or regain weight, MCT oil offers calorie density without relying on sugar, starches, or inflammatory fats. It supports healthy weight maintenance, reduces cravings for processed foods, and may even help spare lean muscle mass during low-carb or low-protein intake periods, such as after surgery or during intensive treatment. Like all supplements, MCT oil should be introduced gradually. Too much too fast can cause digestive upset, including nausea, cramping, or diarrhea. Start with 1 teaspoon daily and increase slowly as tolerated. A typical supportive dose ranges from 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, depending on individual needs and goals. Personally, I like MCT oil in my coffee. Quality matters. Look for pure organic MCT oil, preferably derived from coconut, a C8 or C8-C10 blend, as these are the most efficiently converted to ketones, and avoid artificial additives or fillers. MCT oil isn't a standalone treatment for cancer, but it may be a powerful tool in supportive care. When integrated into a personalized nutrition plan, it may help boost energy and mental clarity, support weight stability, improve nutrient absorption, aid in managing inflammation, and enhance metabolic flexibility. As always, the key is individualization. Work with a licensed integrative oncology specialist or registered dietitian who understands how to tailor supportive therapies to your unique needs. Need help navigating your options? If you're exploring integrative therapies and looking for guidance tailored to your diagnosis and personal goals, we're here to support you. Visit FindHelpForCancer.com or call us at 928-546-5963 to speak with a care coordinator. We can answer your questions about available treatments, length of stay, and cost. When you're ready, we can also help schedule a consultation with an integrative oncologist. You're not alone. We're here to walk with you every step of the way. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in the need of integrative and holistic treatments for you or your family member, please feel free to reach out to us at FindHelpForCancer.com. We'll start with a simple conversation and help point you in the right direction. Happy to help.